Good evening, myself Srilasya. Here are our team members Sirisha and Ashrita. We are here to present our mini project presentation. Coming to the main title of the project is the quality of water prediction in urban areas. Now coming to the abstract of the project, the urban water quality is a great importance of urban water quality has a great importance to our daily lives. With the rapid development of economy and accelerated urbanization, water pollution has become more and more serious. To predict to predict this water pollution, to control this water pollution, which helps in human health. Understanding the problems and trends of water pollution has significance. To overcome this, we have implemented a new model that uses a machine learning algorithm, which is namely linear regression, to predict the water quality in urban areas and also to forecast the predictions. Now coming to the introduction of the project, water is the most important sources for all the vital sustaining kinds of life. However, it is a constant threat of pollution by life itself. Water is one of the most communicable mediums with a far reach. Poor water quality results have been known to one of the most major factors in escalation of the many deadly diseases. The most common diseases faced by human are like diarrhea, typhoid, and cholera. Now coming to the domain of the project, machine learning is the method. The domain deals with the machine learning. Machine learning is defined as it is a method of data analysis that automates the analytical model building. It is a branch of artificial intelligence, based on the idea that systems can learn from data and identify the patterns and also makes new decisions with minimal human interventions. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can change when it is exposed to the new data. We can implement simple machine learning algorithms in Python. We here use linear regression to predict the water quality and also to forecast the predictions. We can see the graph of the linear regression. Now coming to the existing system is worked on the water quality predictions, which result in monitoring the fluctuations of the water quality. Finding the surface quality, finding the water quality of the present year has been monitored in the existing system. The water quality has been estimated by using many various parameters, but there are some limitations has been listed in the uh, existing system. The limitations can be like it is more time taking and expensive. The water quality of future is really unpredictable. No usage of previous data for the prediction has been taken. It is used a very large and various parameters for the prediction. The next part will be continued by Sirisha.
Now let us see the proposed system of the project. Understanding the problems and trends of water pollution is a great significance. In order to control a water pollution, we have proposed a system that uses a machine learning algorithm to predict the water quality in urban and to forecast the predictions. Now, seeing the advantages of proposed system, it predicts the quality of urban water without any manual work. It identifies the pure quality water. It also predicts the water quality using minimal and easy available water parameters. Now coming to the what actually a model do based on the previous year's input, it will predict the future year's water quality index so that we can control a water pollution earlier. Now let us see the modules included in our project. We have 5 main modules: data collection, pre-processing, split data set, initializing algorithm, and prediction. Now let us see the data collection. In this level, the data, whatever the data required for calculation of a water quality index, it will collect all the data from the different urban areas. Now coming to the pre-processing. In this pre-processing, whatever the data is gathered, all the data is pre-processed by removing all the null values and process the data using a label encoder. Now coming to the split data set. In this data set, the data is categorized into two datas. One is train data and the test data. Train data consists of 80% of data and test data consists of 20% of data, which is used for checking the accuracy of a data set through prediction. Now coming to the initial algorithm. In this level, we are going to initialize the linear regression algorithm in order to train a model by using a training data. Now coming to the prediction level. In this prediction level, new inputs or a test set is given as an input to the trained algorithm, in order where the trained algorithm will predict the water quality index. The next flowchart will be continued by Ashita.
Now let us discuss the flow to build our project. First, the user need to collect the data and store it in an Excel sheet, which is known as dataset. After that, we have to read the data. After reading the data, all the null values from the data should be removed in the data pre-processing stage. After that, we have to calculate the water quality index and store it in data frame. After storing it in data frame, we have to divide it into train and test data. After that, we have to create the linear regression model. After that, we have to train that model to predict the test data. Now let us discuss the use case diagram. After executing the Python code, URL will be generated. After opening the URL, the user can select the year from the HTML page and submit HTML page from the drop-down box, and he can submit it. After submitting, our model predicts the water quality index and it will be displayed. This is a basic block diagram for every machine learning algorithm. It contains 3 stages: data pre-processing, methodology, and evaluation. In data pre-processing, all the null values from the data is removed. After that, in methodology, we are using linear regression model where WQI will be predicted. In evaluation stage, regression evaluation is done. Coming to the applications of our project, this can be used as a real-time water quality prediction, and it is a basic stage for agricultural projects to evaluate the water quality. Next comes the output screens of our project. This is the first screen where the user can choose a year from the drop-down, and after that, after clicking the submit button, WQI will be displayed here. Next comes the conclusion of our project. We have trained our model using linear regression, and our model accuracy is recorded as 72%. And now if we give new inputs, our model can predict the water quality index. Thank you.